Saturn will enter Revati Nakshatra in Pisces on 16th May 2026. So, this transit is deeply karmic because Saturn here brings ending, closure of old chapters, spiritual maturity, emotional cleansing, and preparation for a completely new life cycle. Many people may feel that life is slowing down, forcing them to reflect on unfinished karma, relationships, finances, career directions, and emotional baggage. Saturn in Revati teaches patience, surrender, discipline, and spiritual wisdom. It can bring delays, but also permanent stability after lessons are learned. This transit especially activates themes connected to foreign lands, travel, healing, spirituality, isolation, karmic completion, destiny changes, and long term reconstructions. So, important dates of Saturn in Revati Nakshatra will be 16th May 2026. Saturn will enter in Revati Nakshatra. On 27 July 2026, Saturn becomes retrograde in Revati. 10th or 11th October 2026, Saturn moves back into Uttarabhadra Bada Nakshatra. 5th February 2027, Saturn re enters Revati. 2nd June 2027, Saturn enters Ashwini Nakshatra in Aries. So, in 21st October 2027, Saturn returns to Revati again due to retrograde motion. 22nd February 2028, Saturn finally leaves Pisces completely. So, uh, Saturn in Revati Nakshatra, we will see how this transit will affects on each ascendant. So we will start from Aries ascendant. For Aries ascendant, Saturn in Revati activates the 12th house. This transit may bring foreign connections, spiritual awakening, isolation, hidden enemies, sleep issues, and increased expenses. Many Aries natives may feel emotionally detached from old people and situations. Career may feel slow temporarily, but behind the scenes, major karmic reconstructing is happening. Some people can move abroad, work remotely, or reconnect with spirituality. Relationships that are weak may naturally fade away. Saturn wants Aries natives to become emotionally mature and less impulsive. So, for the Taurus ascendant, Saturn transits the 11th house, bringing slow but stable gains, networking opportunities, fulfillment of long term desires, and mature friendships. Some old social circles may end while new influential people enter life. Career income can increase gradually after effort. Elder siblings matter may become important. Saturn here teaches Taurus natives to stop depending emotionally on others and build solid long term goals. So, for Gemini ascendant, Saturn in Revati activate the 10th house of career and public image. This is one of the most important career building phases. Work pressure can increase, promotion may delay, but reputation grows slowly and permanently. Some natives may completely change career direction. Authority figures may test patience. This transit rewards discipline, consistency, and responsibility. By the end of this transit, many Geminis may achieve a more stable professional identity. So, for Cancer ascendant, Saturn transits the ninth house, bringing karmic lessons related to father, higher education, beliefs, destiny, and foreign travel. Faith may be tested. Some natives may become more spiritual or move away from rigid belief system. Long distance journeys and education related matters may move slowly, but eventually stabilized. Saturn here pushes Cancer natives towards wisdom and emotional maturity. So for Leo ascendant, Saturn activates the eighth house, one of the deepest karmic houses. This transit can bring emotional transformation, sudden changes, inheritance issues, hidden truths, psychological healing, and endings. Some Leos may go through major inner rebirths. Health and stress management become important. Saturn here forces emotional cleansing and teaches surrender. Spiritual growth can become very powerful during this phase. So, for Virgo ascendant, uh, Saturn transit the seventh house of marriage and partnerships. Relationship becomes serious and karmic. Weak relationships may end while stable ones deepens through commitment and maturity. Marriage delays are possible, but permanent partnerships can also form. Business partnerships require patience and honesty. Saturn here teaches Virgo's emotional balance and realistic expectations in relationships. For Libra ascendant, Saturn activates the sixth house, bringing focus on health, routine, discipline, debts, competition, and work responsibilities. This transit can help Libras defeat enemies and improve work life through persistence. Health must not be ignored. Daily habits will determine your success. Saturn here rewards hard work and consistency, especially in career and physical well-being. So for Capricorn, so for sorry, Scorpio ascendant, Saturn in Revati activates the fifth house. Love life may become serious or delayed. Creative projects move slowly but gain long term success. Some natives may focus deeply on children, education, or spiritual learning. Emotional maturity in romance becomes necessary. Saturn here teaches Scorpio's patience in matters of heart and creativity. Sagittarius ascendant for Saturn transit the For Sagittarius ascendant, Saturn transit the fourth house, affecting home, family, emotional peace, vehicles, and mother related matters. Some people may relocate or feel emotionally distant from family. Responsibilities at home can increase. Mental peace may require conscious effort. However, Saturn can also help to build long term property stability. Emotional grounding becomes essential. So, for Capricorn ascendant, Saturn activates the third house, bringing courage, discipline, communication growth, travel, and skill building. Younger siblings matters may become important. This is a powerful transit for content creators, writers, teachers, and people building online platforms. Saturn reward effort in communication and consistency. Confidence grows slowly but steadily. For Aquarius ascendant, Saturn transits the second house, affecting finances, speech, family values, and savings. Money matters require discipline and careful planning. Speech becomes serious and practical. Some family karma may surface for healing. Saturn here teaches Aquarius natives how to build stable wealth slowly instead of chasing shortcuts. For Pisces ascendants, Saturn in Revati occurs in the first house itself. This becomes a life defining transit, bringing personality transformation, emotional maturity, karmic closure, and serious self reflection. Many Pisces natives may feel older, wiser, quieter, or emotionally detached. Physical energy may fluctuate, but inner wisdom increases greatly. Saturn here completely reconstruct identity, life direction, and long-term purpose. Old version of self may dissolve permanently. Saturn in Revati for overall all ascendants is not just a normal transit. It is the ending of a karmic chapter before Saturn enters Aries and begins a completely new cycle. Revati represents completion, guidance, healing, and spiritual preparation. Between 2026 and 2028, many people will close and all relationships, careers, emotional patterns, and life paths. Saturn will reward those who stayed disciplined, patient, humble, and spiritually aware. This transit may feel emotionally heavy at times, but its purpose is to prepare people for a stronger and more aligned future. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe Komal Astro and Tarot in order to get more informative astrology and tarot readings. Thank you.